If you've lost access to your DoorDash account and cannot use your email, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you regain access through alternative methods. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app or website. Start by launching the DoorDash app on your mobile device or visiting the DoorDash website on your computer. Look for the login or account recovery options. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the process of recovering your account, even if you don't have access to your email. Step 3. Use your phone number. If you registered your account with a phone number, select the option to receive a recovery link via SMS. Enter a phone number associated with your DoorDash account and follow the prompts to receive a text message. Step 4. Verify your identity. Once you receive the SMS, follow the link provided to verify your identity. You may need to answer security questions or provide additional information to confirm that you are the account owner. Step 5. Create a new password. After successfully verifying your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and make sure to save it securely. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your DoorDash account without needing access to your email. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash customer support for further assistance.